Hey friends, welcome back to SheriTV. We have a very special surprise for you. We have the GlossyBox Surprise Me Advent Calendar, nice and early for the holiday season this year, and it is full of so much goodness. We do have a discount code for you as well. All of the details on that discount code are in the description of this video. You can find everything that you need down there to redeem that, as well as the link that you need to use to get that discount. But oh my goodness, y'all, this is just amazing. So if you don't want the spoilers, don't watch this video because we're going to be giving you spoilers of all of the items. There are, I believe, 16 full-size products and 11 deluxe mini items from some incredible brands in here. You could look at this two ways. You could splurge and get this for yourself this holiday, or you could get it for someone else. It's incredibly giftable, and it has over $550 worth of product in it. So let's get started. If at any point I need to reference what we're going to call the glossary, because it's GlossyBox, I can use this little booklet here, and it tells me all about the products inside, the MSRP, what it's used for, the size, all of that. I'm going to start at the top of the box because, as you'll see from the way this is laid out, and let me just kind of figure out how I want to position this to make sure that you can see it best. Mr. Crucifix TV, is this a good, can you see this pretty well? Looks good. Bring it over this way a little bit. Okay, I'm going to scoot over this way just a tiny bit. Instead of going number 1 through 25 for the advent calendar, I'm actually just going to start with the top drawer, take everything out of the top drawer, and then work our way down. There are 4 drawers full of surprises in this, and they're not in an order necessarily. So this doesn't hold, for example, items 1 through 6. It holds a variety of different items. So as you can see right here, we have a nicely packaged top box, and I'm going to open up item number 1. That is just a coincidence that it happened to be in there. Nudge that over really quickly. And again, if you want a glossary, you have it right here. Item number 1, from what I understand, is the Perfect Night Sleep Scented Candle. And these are packaged so beautifully that you could almost gift them individually if you wanted to. It smells so incredible. I'm getting these warm English lavender vibes coming right out of this box. So here's the packaging. Again, so beautiful, so giftable, although I have a feeling you're not going to want to gift this. And here is what the candle looks like. This is the most beautiful smelling lavender I can remember. This smells like a warm summer walk through a lavender field. Oh, I'm loving it. That is definitely a very solid start to the Advent. Oh my goodness. Where am I going to put everything as I go through it? All right, let's go to number 23 next. I'm going to turn to number 23 in my little glossary. This should be the C Tetra Luxe. This is a serum. So let's open that right up. So cool that everything is packaged individually so that you can keep it separate. This is from Medicate. This is a deluxe size nourishing serum with an upgraded level of tetra hexadecyl absorbate, a stabilized low irritation version of vitamin C. And here is your size on that. I'm going to be very careful not to bonk my microphone. So that's item number 23. Also glorious. Let's go to item number 20 next. Item number 20 is from one of my favorite brands, First Aid Beauty. This is a deluxe size of the Ultra Repair Cream, folks. Here it is. Oh, love this. This is a cult favorite, and this is going to be packed on my next cruise vacation without a doubt. Very excited about that. All right, we're going to skip over to number 18 now. What could it be? This is the Cleo Noir Eyeshadow Duet, I should say, in Light the Night. Oh, no, it's not. It's something else. So it looks as if I got something different. This is an Alamska Beyond Liquid Highlighter. So it looks like there's this is a replacement item, or maybe it's just a little bit out of order, but that is another great brand that I love. Let's go to number 15 now. We'll see if this one matches what's in my glossary. This should be the Fakai Travel Size Full Blown Shampoo and Conditioner, and voila, it appears to be one of them. It is the shampoo. So here we have it, number 15, the Fakai shampoo. Also a very good item for travel, and this appears to be a volumizing formula. Ooh la la. All right, our next item, the last item in the top drawer, is number 9. Supposed to be the Charming Lip Kit. Let us see if that is what we have. Ooh, yes, it is a lip liner and lip gloss. Beautiful. This color looks very universally flattering. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. A nice gloss and a liner. Isn't that so pretty? I'll set that aside for later, and if we have a little extra time at the end, I will go ahead and swatch that. So we got through the first drawer. Let's see what's coming up next. Here is the second drawer. You can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in it. And I think we're gonna start with number 4, which is supposed to be a makeup eraser. Let's see if that's what we have. Yes, indeedy. It is the original makeup eraser, and these are the most magical things. They take off all of your makeup with just water. If you haven't yet tried one of these towels, they are phenomenal, and you can wash them right in the washing machine. Take it out so that you can see what the texture is like. These are glorious, and they come in a variety of different colors too. For one reason or another though, I always end up with a pink. I love these. Now you can use them with just water, but if you'd like to, you can also pair them with your cleanser. That's perfectly fine. This little box is kind of creaky over here, so I'm gonna try to get it to stop creaking if I can. Okay, what's next? Let's go for number 8. Number 8 appears to be the Wander Love Clarity Skin Perfecting Serum Drops. Let's see if that's what we have, and I'll move away from Mr. Creaky right there. All right, and this is from Figs and Rouge. Here it is. This is a full size. MSRP on this is $58 on this little product. Look at that. Very excited about that for winter. I love a good serum in winter to kind of help with my dry skin. Okay. Let's go with number 3, which is up next. This is one of my favorite brands. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I've never tried the Elemis Cleanser. I've only tried the Marine Cream. So this is going to be new to me, and this is without a doubt making its way into my travel bag. Anything Elemis related typically does. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited. MSRP on this little guy is $16, y'all. Really high value on that. Let's go next with number 11. Here we have it. This is a facial dry brush. I love this. So dry brushes are good to help drain the lymphatic nodes and increase circulation and reduce puffiness. Never knew you could get a dry brush for your face. And now I know. I'm very excited about that. I don't own one of those. Bonus. Number 13 is up next, and this is a glossy brand. This is from GlossyBox Skincare. This is their Hydrating Mist. It has hyaluronic acid in it for extra plumping, Inca Inchi oil to support your skin's natural barrier. This is a very large size product with really pretty packaging, and this one's coming in at $21 MSRP. This is the Hydrating Mist. Wow. Very impressive, y'all. Very impressive. Okay, that is the end of drawer number 2. Are you ready for drawer number 3? We're halfway there. Hang in there. We got this. Here is drawer number 3. Let's go ahead and go with item number 6, which should be the Genuine Lapland Hand Cream. Okay. Let's see if it's coming out. This is a deluxe mini worth $8. Ooh, this looks very nice. Here it is. Perfect for travel, perfect for winter, keeping your hands hydrated. Let me see if it's open. No, it's not open. I'm going to leave that sealed and we'll sample it out later. But, okay. Looks excellent. What do we have next? We're going to go with number 14 next. This appears to be the One Kind US Porefectionist Refining Facial. Ooh, an all-in-one facial. And this little guy is worth $26 all by itself. Here it is. Again, very travel friendly. Okay. Now we're going to move to number 17. How's everybody doing? Are you hanging in there? I know it's a little bit more of a marathon, but that's because this is such a good value. Can you imagine opening this as an actual Advent over the holidays? How fun is that? I feel like I'm robbing myself of that experience by unboxing it all now, but that would be such a good way to give back to yourself during the month of December. Oh, I love this brand. Here we go. This is the Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampule, another ampule. You just add a few drops to your skin after cleansing and toning and massage it in until it's absorbed. And then after that, you add your moisturizer. Way cool. Look at that. All right, number 19 is up next. This should be a nail polish. Let's see what color we got. It says on here that the color may vary. I'm very curious what I got. Ooh, look at that packaging, you guys. This is darling. Oh, how cute, cute, cute. What color did I get? Oh my goodness, this is so perfect for the holidays. Here we go. What color is this? It is called Tamale. Oh, that is so fun. I really like that red. Yeah, cute. Very giftable as well. I need to try to keep that packaging intact. So if I want to give that away as a gift, I need to get it back together the way it should be. Okay, can you believe we're already at number 22? This is the NAC Y2 Restorative Cleansing Balm. Yay for 111 skin products. These are great. And yay for cleansers. I always, always, always want to try a new cleanser. Sometimes I'll pop these in my travel bag. Sometimes I put them by my sink. Sometimes I put them in the shower. I have cleansers all over so I can try something different everywhere I am because I feel like I'm always in search of the perfect cleanser. Number 24 looks really big. This is a really nice one. This is actually a satin polyester pillowcase to help keep your hair looking nice when you go to sleep. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, that's so cool. Here it is, satin pillowcase. I think it's a soft pink color, but let me open it up and just check. Ah, there it is. Yep, it's a soft pink color. Very pretty. Every gal should have one of these in their bedroom. This is awesome. Wow, I love this. Very cool. Very cute. My bed's gonna be looking very pink. It'll be the only pink item on the bed, but that is absolutely okay. All right, we have one more drawer, our last drawer to unbox, and boxes everywhere. It's like Christmas, really, right now. Okay, here is our very last assortment. There's a lot in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, our 7 final products. So at this moment, I'm moving that back so it's out of my way, and we'll have a little bit more freedom to grab at everything here. Okay, let's go with item number 21. This is the VitaBridge Global Facial Boosting Water and Dual Mask. So this is a brightening and luminous 2-pack of products. So it looks like we have this. I think this is kind of like a toner. Yes, VitaBrid C Facial Boosting Water is a treatment toner. Okay, and then in the same package, you're also going to be getting a mask. Look at that nice one. It says it's a dual mask for hydration and moisture retention. Very nice. That's kind of an extra product if you ask me. I think that counts as 2. As far as I'm concerned, that counts as 2. Okay, on to number 10. Looking at my handy glossary, and I believe this is an eau de parfum. Let's see, the Flower Balm Eau de Parfum. I think so. Is it? Yes. Ooh, cute packaging. Look at that. Don't know how I feel. Normally, I don't love floral perfumes, but let's give this a little sniff and see what we think. This is so cute and petite. Look at that. Oh, it smells really nice. Wow, it's strange. I had some kind of a recall, like a memory when I smelled it, but I can't figure out what it is, what the memory is. I'll just have to kind of wear it around the house today and maybe see if I can figure it out. But it is very nice. It's very floral, but it's kind of a softer floral. Very sweet. Okay, let's try number 16, which is an eyeliner. This is a waterproof graphic eyeliner from Josephine Cosmetics. Here is the packaging. This MSRP is $25. There you go. And I do believe they said waterproof. That's awfully nice. This looks like a pen style. Let's take a look. Yes, there it is. Perfect. I can never get enough of these. I'm always running out of them. Fabulous. Okay, what do we have now? Going back to number 12. And inside this box is a Kabuki brush. Kabuki brushes are great for setting your makeup setting powder, things like that. This cute little teeny tiny Kabuki brush. Oh, this is nice. And this is from a brand called Bella Pierre. Beautiful. Very nice. Love that. Love that. Okay. Wow. Wow. It's Christmas here, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let's go back to number 5, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I think this might be a deluxe size. This one's worth $22, and they have this packaged really nicely, probably so that it didn't leak, but I'll give you a quick look at this. Looks like this is a watermelon-y product. I'm not gonna open it just for the sake of time, but this is very giftable. Not that I won't use a sleeping mask, but it just presents so beautifully that I can see myself gifting that this holiday season. Very cool. Okay, number 7 is one of the items I'm most excited about in this box. This is a blush on cheek stick. I'm not sure what color this is. Ooh, cute. It says it's bronze. So I'm not sure if it's more like a bronzer or a blush, but we will take a look at this. Here we go. Here's the color. So it looks pretty neutral. I'll swatch that at the end with that lip color in just a moment, but I want to kind of keep moving through the box so we can finish up here. Okay, now we're on to number 2. And this is a Stronghold Hairspray, I believe, from Authentic Beauty Concept, worth $10. Oh, this is pretty large. It's very heavy. It feels quite dense and full. This is a 3-ounce product, so you could probably take this on an airplane. I'm not sure how they'd feel about the aerosol, but I love the idea of a Stronghold Hairspray just to have on hand. That's very cool. Now, I didn't do this on purpose, but the last item we have is actually number 25, so it's the last item in the box, and this is a pretty special one. This is from Wander Beauty, and it's an eyeshadow palette and a brush set. So let's take a look at this, give you a general idea for the colors. This is beautiful. There's a little sample of the colors, and the packaging on this is just so pretty. Let's see if I can open this really quickly. Don't think I have my little knife in this set, so I'm gonna have to kind of rip it open, which is a bummer, but that is okay. I really wanna show you the colors, so we'll destroy the packaging for the good of demonstrating. Okay, are you ready for this? This is the Wondrous Rush, and this is a great palette size for travel. That is so pretty. This color right here is something I would wear daily on my lids. I love it. I love it so much. So you have 4 shimmers on this side and then 2 mattes here. This would be a great crease color, Swift, and this would be good for the base, for kind of just all around the lid. Beautiful. Comes with a little mirror as well. Very happy with that. And then this is a brush set. This has an angled brush and a blending brush in the kit. So that is everything. As promised though, I do want to swatch a few of those products for you. I can tell that GlossyBox did a good job of trying to stay neutral with these things because they really are the colors are quite neutral. So let's go with this blush stick first and take a look and see how universally flattering that would be. That's really nice. So again, they're calling this bronze. And now I'm gonna move on to the lip liner and lip gloss duo from earlier. These could be worn together. I mean, these 3 items look so complementary. Look at that, they're very nice. Very nice together. And here is the gloss. Oh yeah, these will look great together. Beautiful fall colors. Super pretty. Very happy with them. And look, you can just pair that so perfectly with this. This whole palette just goes so well together, wouldn't you say? So nice. So we've got some skincare, we have hair care, we have makeup, we have a few cool items that aren't cosmetic related, like we have the makeup remover, we have the pillowcase, the perfume. There's just so many wonderful things in here. Highly recommend this as a nice giftable item for you or for a friend this fall or winter season. Our discount code, let me just explain it to you. You get your first GlossyBox for $16 and then $10 off your Advent calendar using the link and the discount code, which is Sherry16 in the description of this video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you decide to pick up one of the GlossyBox Advent calendars. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, go do something beautiful.